Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a grommet kit, and we're gonna open this up and I'll show you guys all everything that's inside of it. I'm gonna guess this is the handle to grommetize. Comes with a billion of these things. Here's the grommet machine instruction manual. Might come in handy for us. Service card, warranty card. Comes with a lot of styrofoam. And the box empty other than that. This is the apparatus here. Oh, something else. Oh, the tool heads, I guess, to do the different grommeting. So I guess we can do different sizes. It looks like there's some different sizes in here. So we'll see what we want to do and give one a try. So this is going to be how it works there. Okay, so here's our different size rings, more size rings, more rings, and then we have the 3 different grommets. So what do we want to grommet? We'll grommet. We'll start big. We'll try a big one. So I'm gonna say okay, I finished making the hole. I just kind of had to hit this really hard. Hopefully the hole's not too big anymore. Probably might be because I jammed it big. But let's see. So the way we're going to do the grommet is it'll go through the hole like that. And I guess this is going to go on, I don't know if it goes on the bottom or the top. Let's see. We put the bottom, so this will go on the bottom side like this. Oh, what do I do with it? So that goes down there. Put the hole like that. Put the top, I guess this side here, and then squeeze it down. My hole is way too big. Yeah, but that's what a grommet will look like. I mean, it does work, just made it too big of a hole. And I probably should have put it the other direction. Let me try again. I'm gonna just make a slightly smaller one. Try it that way. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I made myself a smaller hole, and I put my little grommet in there, right there, like that. And then I'm putting my loop, wherever that went. Did I lose it in there? Oh, here it is. And I'll put that on the inside, over it, like so. Okay, now I'll put it into the crimper. Push down and crimp. Okay, there we go. So now this is what it looks like. So I think that's probably more what it's supposed to look like. How cool is that? Now I have myself a grommet. And on the inside it looks like that, so it's pretty nice. So pretty cool. Now I have myself a hole in my bag. I like it. I'm gonna try the different sizes here in a second. Okay, so here we go. You can see I've got 3 of the different sizes on there. And they're pretty crimped on there really well. So I'm going to say I like this. This is a nice machine. Definitely industrial size, and you can do some heavy duty crimping with this. So make some good grommets. I like it. Man, if I put my finger in there, it would totally squish it. But really nice machine. I'm going to say super thumbs up. Very cool.